So it looks like TCL is going to the foldable game with their own transforming tablet phone. Let's talk about it and let's get to the video. What's up, everybody? It is your boy Lavon Kaysen back at it again with another video. As you can see here, this is TCL's folding phone. It reminds me of the Mate X, and for how the phone itself looks, it doesn't look that bad. It actually looks pretty good for what it is. Now, the phone itself was supposed to be showcased at MWC 2020, but due to the coronavirus that has happened recently, it has been canceled. So who knows when this phone will be showcased again? Who knows? And I am starting to realize the use of foldable phones. The fact that it could be a phone, it can also fold into a tablet. I could see the use for that. To me right now, they're all, for the most part, pretty much are expensive. But I am interested in the idea of folding phones. But I want to see one that is at a price point of $400 to $500. Then that's when I might start, messing with the folding phones. Because right now, they're just expensive. Nothing more, nothing less. But yeah, what do you guys think of the TCL, folding phone? Will you guys get one when it comes out? What do you guys think on how it looks? Do you guys think it looks ugly? Do you guys think it looks beautiful? Let me know in the comment section below. Hit that like button. Hit that notification bell. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and peace.